Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about importance of air in photosynthesis. Today we are going to discuss importance of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. All of you know very clearly known that for photosynthesis we require carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals also. So one of the major important thing for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Whether it is necessary or not, we will find out with an experiment that we should explain now. To do this experiment, we need require a bottle, a plant, and potassium hydroxide pellets or potassium hydroxide solution. First, we have to discharge the plant or discharge the leaf of that plant. What is discharging process? That means we have to remove all the starch which is present in the leaves. Then we can easily conduct the experiment. It should be very easily understood whether it is necessary for the photosynthesis or not. For that, we need to keep the plant in the dark for nearly 3 days. Whenever we place the plant in the dark, the starch is removed from the leaves because there is no sunlight. So like this, when we keep the plant in a dark, the plant unable to get the sunlight, so it is unable to prepare its glucose. So that is nothing but starch. So this is the process of discharging. Discharging. That means we are removing the starch from the plant. And then continue the next experiment with an setup arrangements in the shown above. Take a plant which is present in the pot and keep one leaf or insert the leaf into the transparent bottle by using a cork. In that bottle, we need to keep an potassium hydroxide pellets or potassium hydroxide solution. What is the use of the potassium hydroxide? Potassium hydroxide will remove the carbon dioxide or so the carbon dioxide which is present in the bottle will be consumed totally. So now whenever we insert that leaf into the bottle, some of the pot will be inserted into the bottle, some of the bottle will be outside of the bottle. Now what is our intention? Some of the leaf is getting carbon dioxide, some of the leaf is, that means some part of the leaf is not getting the carbon dioxide. Leave it for few hours. After few hours, when we observe and when we remove the leaf out of that bottle, and we will do the starch experiment, that means starch test experiment. Already we know that how to find out the starch by using a chemical reaction or by using an indicator. When we do the starch iodine test, automatically the leaf the leaf which is present in outside will get be colored into bluish black color. The part of the leaf which is inside of the bottle, that means which part is not getting the carbon dioxide, that should be colorless or remain same. So by this experiment we can easily understand for photosynthesis carbon dioxide is essential and it one of the important thing for the photosynthesis. So in this experiment we can easily understand what is the importance of carbon dioxide. So whenever we keep the leaf, one leaf, some part of the leaf will be into bottle, some part of the leaf will be outside of the bottle. That means we are testing the one leaf and we are checking the importance of presence of carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis. In the beginning we made discharge. What is the use of that discharge? Whenever we made discharge, automatically the starch of the leaf will be totally consumed out. And then now the second experiment. With that, we can easily understand that the starch which is present outside of the leaf will be made up by using carbon dioxide which is available in the outer side atmosphere only. So it is an best experiment to find out the importance of carbon dioxide in a photosynthesis. Okay students, tomorrow we will discuss another topic with our video lesson.